You don't need to have a license for
Oh,
that.
you don't need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
have a license. Okay, in that case, I think that would be a lot more accessible.
We asked CNEC students about their thoughts on e-bikes, starting with what is your primary mode of commuting to university and why did you choose that method?
Usually I commute by walking because it's a 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer walk from my boarding place.
So my primary mode of transport to university and from university is by bus. I chose this method because it's cheap and it's accessible.
My mode of transportation is the bus because I live quite far away from the campus. I live all the way in Sri and the bus is the most reliable method for me.
My current mode of transportation to my campus is on foot.
Have you ever thought of commuting via an e-bike?
I would actually consider switching to an e-bike because then it can replace my other modes of commuting like going by bus or going by a bike or going by Uber or pick me because it will give me more freedom.
I would choose to because if I don't need a license for it, and it's like a lot cheaper than a bus, obviously.
So when it comes to bikes, I'm a little bit nervous, but the idea of the e-bike sounds very cool if they are very used to riding.
Generally, in this situation, about a bike, yeah, that's a good option. An e-bike, that's an even better option.
How important do you think sustainability when it comes to commuting?
Sustainability is important, but I don't know if like in Sri Lanka we can afford to be conscious about that right now because I feel like a lot of people aren't exactly thinking how can I be sustainable when I'm commuting, but rather how can I save money.
Because we are the generation who are thinking of sustainability because we will be the people who will be facing this crisis over 20, 30, 50 years. We will be in our midlife, we will be in our adulthood when we face this issue. So if we could prevent them, if we could slow down this process of the earth dying, actually, we can be benefited personally as well as a species.
The environmental pollution we are facing right now in our country, it's a big problem. And using an e-bike and I'm walking with it, that would reduce the emission and carbon footprint of us.
If there was one thing you could change about your current commuting experience, what would it be?
Well, buses aren't reliable. There's not always buses, and like if I have to get somewhere, I have to leave like 2 hours earlier. There's also the issue of what I dress. I can't like always wear what I want because issues and stuff like that. And of course it's crowded and stuffy. It's a pretty horrible experience, honestly. So if I could change, I would opt for a more comfortable, safer option.
There is less and less importance towards walking and as you said cycling because it's very difficult to cycle and walk actually because of the current traffic jam and the current rush. I would like all of these things to change and people to be more human and to consider the feelings and emotions of other humans when they are transporting as well.
More sustainable way of transporting like a bike or an e-bike is actually very beneficial for me personally.